Still using a slow search bar that makes your customers wait? Every second of delay costs you sales. Meet the WooCommerce AJAX Search widget from ShopLentor, your instant product search solution. It delivers live results as users type, helping shoppers find exactly what they want without delay. Here's how to set it up. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Enable the AJAX Search widget module and save. Now, go to ShopLentor, Template Builder. Choose the page you want to edit, shop, archive, or custom. Drag and drop the widget, called AJAX Product Search Form, with the WL badge. Publish the changes, and you're done. Get live search suggestions as users type. Allow product filtering by category. Fully responsive, works beautifully on mobile. Save time, reduce bounce, and increase user engagement. Customize layout and styling to match your store's brand. Store owners using AJAX Search see faster navigation, fewer abandoned sessions, and more conversions because customers find what they want in seconds. Make your store searchable and shoppable. Activate the AJAX Search widget with ShopLentor today. Live results, lightning fast speed, more sales instantly.